You're probably sitting somewhere right now, scrolling, watching people talk about making money online, thinking, okay, but how? Actually, because every video you watch either sounds too complicated, too expensive, or too good to be true. And I get it. I was there too. But here is what nobody tells you. The people making real money with AI right now are not the ones working harder. They're the ones who figured out which parts of the process AI could handle for them, and then just showed up to collect. That is exactly what this video is about. 5 ways to make money online using AI in 2026 that are so straightforward. The biggest thing you will need is a working internet connection and the patience to set it up once. And before you think this is another hype video, I am going to show you the actual tools, the actual steps, and realistic numbers. No fake screenshots, no overnight millionaire nonsense. Just real methods that real beginners are using right now. So if you have been waiting for the right time to start, this is it. Stay with me. Now, real quick, if you're new here, this channel is called Smart Money AI, and what we do here is break down how to use artificial intelligence to build income streams that actually work. Hit subscribe so you do not miss what is coming next, because we're just getting started. Let's get into it. Number 1, AI-written digital products. This one is the foundation. Digital products, things like ebooks, guides, templates, checklists have been a money-making model for years. But the reason most people never tried it was because writing takes time, and most people do not think of themselves as writers. AI just removed that excuse entirely. Here's how it works. You pick a topic people are already spending money to solve. Something like how to manage money as a student, how to start freelancing, how to eat healthy on a tight budget. Then you use an AI tool like ChatGPT or Claude to help you build out a structured, well-written guide on that topic. You are not copying and pasting blindly. You are directing the AI, editing the output, and packaging it into something that looks and reads professionally. Then you list it on a platform like Gumroad or Payhip, both free to start, and you drive traffic to it through short videos or social posts. People are selling simple 10 to 20-page guides for anywhere between $7 and $47. If you sell just 2 copies a day at $15, that is over $900 a month from a product you built once. The AI does the heavy lifting. You do the positioning. Number 2, faceless YouTube automation. You are literally watching this work right now. Faceless YouTube channels where you never appear on camera, are one of the fastest growing income models in 2026 because AI has made it possible for almost anyone to produce quality content without a studio, without a fancy camera, and without being on screen. The model is simple. You pick a niche: finance, motivation, history, true crime, self-improvement. You use AI to write the script. You use a text-to-speech tool or an AI voice tool to narrate it. You use AI image generators or stock footage to build the visuals. Then you upload, optimize your title and thumbnail for search, and let YouTube's algorithm do the distribution work for you. Monetization kicks in once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But even before that, you can add affiliate links in your description and start earning from day one. The lazy part is not that you do nothing. The lazy part is that AI compresses what used to take a team of people into something one person can do in a few hours. And if you want a complete step-by-step guide on how to set up your own faceless YouTube automation channel from scratch, I put one together for you. The link is in the description. Go check it out after this video. Number 3, AI-powered freelance services. Here is one a lot of people overlook because they think freelancing means being an expert. It is not anymore. Right now, businesses are willing to pay for things like blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, email newsletters, and video scripts. They need this content constantly. What they do not always have is time. And here is where you come in. Not as an expert writer, but as someone who knows how to use AI to produce high-quality content fast and then refine it to match a client's voice and brand. You can sign up on platforms like Fiverr or Contra, offer AI-assisted content packages, and charge anywhere from $30 to over $100 per piece depending on the complexity. The skill is not writing from scratch. The skill is knowing how to prompt well, edit smart, and deliver fast. AI gives you the speed. You bring the judgment. A lot of people doing this are making between $500 and $2,000 a month working part-time. Some are doing it from a phone. Number 4, affiliate marketing with AI content. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest online income models. You promote someone else's product, someone clicks your link, they buy, you earn a commission. Simple. The reason most people fail at it is content. You need consistent content to drive traffic to your links, and creating consistent content is exhausting, unless you have AI handling the heavy lifting. Here is the setup. You pick a niche you understand, even slightly: tech tools, fitness gear, online courses, finance apps. You sign up for their affiliate programs: Amazon, ClickBank, Impact, ShareASale, all free to join. Then you use AI to help you create YouTube videos, blog posts, or even Pinterest pins that review or recommend those products. Every time someone clicks your link and purchases, you earn a percentage. Some programs pay 5%. Some pay 40% or more, especially digital products. The reason this makes the lazy list is that once your content is live, it keeps working. A YouTube video you posted 6 months ago can still be sending you commission checks today without you touching it again. That is passive income in the truest sense. Number 5, selling AI-generated templates and tools. This last one is underrated and still wide open in 2026. People and businesses are constantly looking for shortcuts, ways to do things faster, more professionally, more efficiently. And templates are exactly that. Notion templates for productivity, Canva templates for social media, Excel spreadsheets for budgeting, ChatGPT prompt packs for marketers. These are things you can build once using AI as your assistant, package neatly, and sell repeatedly. The market for this is real. Creators on Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market are generating hundreds to thousands of dollars a month selling digital tools they built in a weekend. You do not need to be a designer. You do not need to be a developer. You just need to understand what a specific group of people struggles with, build something that solves it, and let AI help you build it faster than you could alone. So let us recap what we covered today. 1. AI-written digital products. Build once, sell forever. 2. Faceless YouTube automation. Let AI produce content while you stay off camera. 3. AI-powered freelancing. Use AI to deliver fast. Charge for your judgment. 4. Affiliate marketing with AI content. Traffic plus links equals passive commissions. 5. Selling AI-generated templates. Solve one problem, package it, sell it repeatedly. None of these require you to be an expert. None of them require a huge investment. What they require is that you actually start. If you found value in this video, do me a favor. Hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. And subscribe if you want more videos like this. And drop a comment below. Tell me which of these 5 you're going to try first. I read every one. I will see you in the next one.